how to get Coldheart in Raid Shadow Legends. So the rare character, I suppose, from the Dark Elves faction. One of the ways you can get this character is from limited time events or from shops, since it is just a rare character. You can take a look at those events or limited time events, daily rewards or limited time rewards, and you can see if it's available from there. And you can get the character for free or just a bit of activity, and eventually the reward will be given to you. But another thing you can do is directly here into your portal. And since she is a Void Affinity champion, one of the only way you could get her is in the Void Shards. So you can save your Void Shards for a 2 times Void Summon Boost events, which does increase the overall chance of pulling rare or higher Void champions. And if you're wondering if you can get them from here, usually not, since again, you can only get the Void characters from here. You can't even get it from Primal or Ancient or Sacred Shards. But anyways, once you do have the Void Shards, you can go ahead and test out your luck and see if you actually get the character. But as we mentioned, Coldheart can also appear in special summon pool events where Plarium does include her. So check the summoning portal and in-game news regularly before spending your shards, since you may be able to save your shards by just participating on those limited time events where you could possibly get your Coldheart character. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you want to get her. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.